Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday and it's July 17th. We got a couple economic news releases to go over today, so we'll jump right into it. We'll start with the capacity utilization. This is kind of the same, kind of goes in the same line as industrial production. Um, but in May, we had 77.7% in capacity utilization. It was thought to go up at 78.2, and it came in pretty much in line at 78%, which is good. This helped translate into a better industrial production for June because in May it dropped 0.5%, and forecast for June was supposed to be zero point 0.6, and it came in at forecast of 0.6%. So with more tools and everything, reaching more capacitors index, NHB Home Builders Index. This is kind of provides a confidence level for home builders, a survey that's brought out. And it pretty much, as you can see, it came in as unchanged. So we had these, and these are pretty high confident levels here. So in June it was 68. They thought it might go up up to 69 in July, but it remained the same at 68. So headline news, stock market was actually down, but as the session kind of went into it, it was kind of waiting before the Fed Powell's testimony before Senate. But let me go back here. Q2 earnings came in a little bit disappointing. So this kind of led the stock market down a little bit, but it was also being a little cautious ahead of the Fed Powell's Jerome Powell's testimony before the Senate. And some of the things that he had mentioned, kind of nothing really out of the blue that we don't know, stuff that he's already kind of reiterated. Basically, he said that the best path for, there'll be continued gradual interest rates going. Best is what he thinks. It'll be, obviously, they want to keep the policy to keeping inflation to about 2%, which we're there right now. They do understand there's going to be some fluctuations, maybe temporary, and they don't want to give knee-jerk reactions where it might jump up a little bit. But again, they want to kind of keep this in a gradual pace here. And then, of course, you mentioned the uncertainty of trade wars and stuff like that, what kind of a role those might play into the economy as well. So he did not reiterate that information. Now, tomorrow he'll be meeting ahead of this House, so prepare for some more volatility in that regard as well as he present his case in front of the House. So let's take a look here at the bond market, see what rates are doing today. We had a nice, we were down quite a bit for the day yesterday, touching off the 25-day moving average and recovered pretty close to where we were at, pretty close to the bottom here, right here at the 100-day moving average. So we were just down to a few basis points from where we left off, which was just right there at the top ceiling of the Fibonacci here. But today we're down currently about a couple of basis points, but since the testimony, again, I kind of created this before the testimony, market's been rebounding. We're kind of almost about zero or unchanged levels and kind of even peaked ahead about plus 2 basis points. So we're kind of so far in this range right now, which is a good sign as well. Again, as you can see here, the 25-day moving average is moving up. The 100-day moving average is moving down. And at some point, we're going to have a crossroads here where it's going to be squeezed to go one direction, either upwards or one direction downwards. The trend has been going down, so that's kind of where I would indicate that it'll probably get squeezed further down, as we've seen many of these other instances where it's gone down. Again, just be, a little cautious here. See where things float, see where they go here. All right, so, and as we can see, here's the Treasury here. We're hanging still about 2.86 range. Still got plenty of room to go downwards, so if this goes down, that would help mortgage-backed security to go up and give us a rate improvement. So rates are about the same as where we left off yesterday, so there's really no change in pricing in terms of our interest rates. But if you guys want to get more updates, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter and get the latest, see if there's any change in the market. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.